Welcome back, family. It's Makisha Styles, aka Keish here, and once again, I will be your tour guide for today. In the previous videos, as I talk about xtreamfx Academy, I showed you how to get started with us and show you how to navigate through your back office. And today's video is going to be on how to access your live trainings. So first thing, once you get started with us, you're going to receive a special link. Once you click on that link, it's going to bring you right back here to your back office. Now, in a previous video, we went over how to navigate that, so make sure you go back and watch that video first if you haven't watched it yet. So when you come over, on the left-hand side is your table of contents. What you want to do is scroll down, and now you want to access your live trainings, because we have some phenomenal live trainings, as you see right here from our schedule. So you want to come down, you want to click on affiliate members. If you're a student, it's going to say student. Click on the little arrow here and drop down. The next thing is going to tell you whether you're affiliate pro, plus, or basic, or a student. You'll click right here. The next thing you want to do in order to get access to your live trainings is scroll down to where it says FX Live Zoom. Now, what I want to recommend, so you have to keep clicking back and forth, is right click on it. So when you right click, it's going to open in a new tab. Why is that important? Because now I don't have to keep coming back and forth to open this tab. So now when it's time for live training, so say if it happened to be 9 a.m. on a Monday, and we're like, okay, I want to access this training, I want to click on it. And if it was active, I could be able to join the meeting right now. Okay, so let's come back over here too on how to actually navigate through the class schedule to know where your live training is located. You want to always look where it says tab and back office. It's always going to tell you exactly where it's located. So right now, if we want to attend the sniper entry class, it's saying it's located on the FX Live Zoom. All I would do is come back over to my table of contents, click on affiliate members, click on affiliate pro, or it should say students. Click on that. It's going to give you a whole drop-down menu. Now it said it is located at FX Live Zoom. All I want to do is click on FX Live Zoom, and I'll be good to go. Now, say for instance, I scroll down, and this one says for the MT4 setup, it's located in the Core Academy. So how do I get to that? I want to come back over, left-hand side. I want to scroll down now to where it says Core Academy, and I want to click on that, and now I'm able to access my live training. But what if it said HFX Education? So now I want to come right back over to the left-hand side, and I want to click on HFX Education. So anytime you want to get to any of your classes, it's always going to have right here where to find it at. So FX Live Zoom, right over here where it says FX Live Zoom. If it was HFX Education, I'll click on HFX Education, and I'm able to watch it right here. Okay, if it happened to be the Core Academy, I'll come down and click on Core Academy, and everything will be located right there. Okay, so if you have any questions whatsoever, all you have to do is message us and let us know. If you haven't already locked arms with us, make sure you get back to whoever referred you to this video. And also too, if it was myself who referred you here, just some information in the link and description of this video. So I'm looking forward to seeing those of you who aren't yet locked arms with us in the xtreamfxglobal Academy. And everyone that is, I will see you in class and on the next video.